Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Friday, 24th July, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed sharply lower on Thursday, with the Dow Jones falling 1.0%, the S&P 500 declining 1.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite tumbling 2.2%, marking their weakest session in about a month. The sell-off was driven by steep losses in Alphabet and Tesla following their earnings, while a surge in crude oil prices above $100 per barrel amid escalating Middle East tensions and rising Treasury yields further weighed on investor sentiment. Asian markets are trading sharply lower today after crude oil prices surged above $100 per barrel, reviving inflation concerns following escalating conflict in the Middle East. Japan's Nikkei has fallen around 2.9%. South Korea's Kospi is down nearly 3.7%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng is also trading lower, as rising bond yields and geopolitical risks weighed heavily on investor sentiment, despite the ongoing earnings season. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,675, thereby indicating a negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading above $100 per barrel, as escalating Middle East tensions and supply disruption concerns continue to support a strong geopolitical risk premium, despite higher OPEC Plus production. Gold prices are trading slightly lower as a stronger U.S. dollar and rising bond yields offset safe haven demand, although ongoing geopolitical tensions continue to provide underlying support. Infosys delivered a strong first quarter, with net profit rising over 12% and revenue growing 14% year-on-year, supported by healthy deal wins and improving operating margins. The company also secured large deals worth $3.6 billion and announced the appointment of Ashish Kumar Dash as CEO designate, who will take over as CEO and Managing Director from April 2027. InterGlobe Aviation reported a loss of 238 crore rupees for the quarter despite 20% growth in revenue, as a sharp 86% surge in aircraft fuel costs significantly impacted profitability. Operating margins also contracted sharply, highlighting the pressure of elevated fuel prices on the airline business. Coforge has launched Coforge Neuron, an AI operating system designed to help enterprises scale and integrate AI across their operations. The platform aims to move businesses beyond pilot projects by enabling large-scale AI-driven transformation and productivity gains. Following negative cues from the weak global markets amid crude price spike above $100 per barrel, Nifty is expected to open gap down today. Levels therefore need to be adjusted downwards as compared to what we mentioned in yesterday's post-market report, with supports now being at 23,600, followed by 23,520, while resistances may be placed at 23,700, followed by 23,795. The index may be expected to trade at lower levels with a mild positive bias to account for some value buying. However, any further rise in crude prices may send Nifty lower. Indian markets may remain volatile due to elevated crude oil prices, escalating Middle East tensions, the ongoing Q1 FY27 earnings season, uncertainty over the U.S. Federal Reserve's interest rate outlook, FII flows, rupee movement, and weakness in global technology stocks. Strong Q1 earnings, sustained government spending, healthy corporate deal wins, and capital expenditure. Resilient domestic macroeconomic indicators, stable U.S. interest rate expectations, and any easing in crude oil prices or geopolitical tensions could support investor sentiment and Indian equities. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 2,999 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 2,947 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on July 24, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.